In a major blow to the EVM doubters, the Supreme Court recently rejected all petitions seeking 100% cross-verification and tally of votes cast on EVMs with the paper clips generated by the VVPATs. While pronouncing the order, the bench comprising Justice Sanjeev Khanna and Justice Dipankar Datta said, and we quote, "We have rejected the prayer for paper ballot voting, complete EVM VVPAT verification and physical deposit of VVPAT slips." How do these VVPATs function? The VVPAT machines are attached to the ballot unit of the EVM, which provide visual verification of voters' vote by printing a slip of paper with the voter's choice on it. This is later used to verify votes cast in 5 randomly selected polling booths in each of the assembly segment. The petitioners demanded that all VVPAT slips be cross-checked with the EVM votes. While rejecting all the pleas, the court mentioned why it is not feasible and cited the grounds why returning to paper ballot system is a big no. One of the 3 demands of the petitioners was to go back to the erstwhile paper pen ballot system. The court rejected this by stating, "Question of reverting to the paper ballot system on facts and in circumstances does not and cannot arise. It is only improvements in the EVMs or even a better system that people would look forward to in the ensuing years." The court also observed how till date there is no report of any such incident, saying the petitioners failed to show any material evidence of the failure of these EVM or any malicious program being loaded along with the party symbols. Innovations in technology have rapidly transformed democracies in the last few decades, more so in countries like India, where multi-party system and a massive population point to greater need for transparent voting processes. Justice Datta in his order opined that it is of immediate relevance to note that in recent years, a trend has been fast developing of certain vested interest groups endeavoring to undermine the achievements and accomplishments of the nation, earned through the hard work and dedication of its sincere workforce. The court, in its order, went on to challenge the very credentials of the petitioners. "I have serious doubt as regards the bona fides of the petitioning association when it seeks a reversion to the old order. Irrespective of the fact that in the past, efforts of the petitioning association in bringing about electoral reforms have borne fruit, the suggestion put forth appeared inexplicable. The Association for Democratic Reforms was one of the petitioners in the case, along with Abhay Bhagchand Chachere and Arun Kumar Agarwal." At the end, Justice Datta emphasized the need for harmonious operation of democracy. While balanced perspective is important, blindly doubting a system can breed skepticism, and thus meaningful criticism is needed, the court said, adding that the court's approach in this matter has been guided by evidence. In the 2 concurrent judgments by the Honorable Supreme Court, it is evident how the top court upheld the technological advancement undertaken to make the election process more efficient, and the court also underlined the need to nurture a culture of trust so as to strengthen the process of democracy instead of undermining its success. First direction is after the completion of the symbol loading process, the symbol loading unit should be sealed. The SLU should be stored for at least a period of 45 days, the apex court said. In its second direction, the court said, "The burnt memory in the microcontroller EVM shall be checked by a team of engineers after the declaration of results on a request by candidates in serial number 2 and 3. Such a request has to be made within a period of 7 days after the results. The cost of this shall be borne by the petitioner, and in case it is found faulty, the amount shall be refunded back to the candidate." The court also recommended to include an electronic machine for counting paper slips and barcodes along with symbols for political parties. However, it rejected the pleas advanced by petitioners to give the voters access to VVPAT paper slips to put physically into the ballot boxes. That's it for this segment. Keep watching OTV News English.